Hi everyone, it's Anahata. How are you? Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you very quickly how to make healing water for Thanksgiving. You guys are probably all busy putting your lists together of the food that you want to make for the celebration on Thursday, if you are partaking of this huge feast we call Thanksgiving. And I know a bunch of you guys are just so excited to be with your family unit. Hi everyone, good to see you, John. Hi Jack, hi Jennifer, hi Brad. Hey guys, I'm quickly going to show you in real time, hi Usman, how to make healing water for Thanksgiving. Okay, now it's very simple, so I want you to comment or tag or do something in this post so that you can come back to it and refer to it later. It takes all of about 30 seconds to do, and then a few more minutes to actually charge the entire vessel. Now I have here glass that has crystals in it. I don't know if you knew this, but water is a carrier. This is not a woo-woo, like we're gonna add a prayer into this water. This is actually very scientific, and those of you who know me know that I root myself in science. And so there's a lot of research that has been done. Masaru Emoto, look that up. I'll put a link probably in this feed as well for you to check him out. He did a lot of research into how water carries vibration. And in fact, he's not the only one. They have some really cool studies going on in Europe where they have people preparing petri dishes of water. And there are hundreds of these scientists, well, I don't know how many actually, many, and they can pinpoint who prepared what petri dishes just based on their own vibrational signature, like, oh, that's Susan's petri dish because it's got this energetic marker, etc. Also, if you go into quantum physics, there is a thing called collapsing the wave function. This simply means that before waves are witnessed, they are waves, and actually when we witness the wave, they then become particles. Very interesting phenomenon that's very repeatable. And this is just through observation. And so it's not, does intention affect water, or does energy signatures get carried through water? That is science. But how to bless your water for Thanksgiving. Let's go ahead and do this in real time. It's very, very easy to do. Energy flows from the left to the right. So you will simply, and guys, when you do this, I would love for you to taste the water first to get a reference point. So I'm going to do that. This water I've prepared there, it's nothing fancy. You can do the same. Now this can be a big gallon, right, jug for your festivity for Thanksgiving. I'm going to taste the water and just feel it and experience it on its own, pre-charged, pre-blessed. Okay, it's water, of course it is. Now, and I want you to do this so that you can go, holy cow, this is crazy. People who have done this before are just like blown away, and thus it's interesting what happens once you're aware of how water can carry vibration and what you can do with programming water. So what I would like you to do is go ahead and put your left hand on your heart. Now, your heart chakra, we don't have time to go into this, is a portal to divine intelligence, to source, to creator, whatever you want to say, God. And this is also not just woo-woo. If you want to look up the documentary Black Hole, W-H-O-L-E, with, there's a scientist, Nassim Haramein, who's done some really great work explaining the portal, and it just so happens to be in your heart, the unity consciousness. So left hand on your heart. Now again, energy flows from the left to the right. So this is coming out of your heart portal, which is connected to divine intelligence, and coming into your right hand. And your right hand is just kind of hanging out, right, as we tap into this blessing. And then I'm going to have you go ahead and touch the water. You can imagine the water being pre-charged, and then once you touch it, it infusing. And maybe perhaps it helps you think of like ink going in and just permeating. Water is cohesion in Chinese medicine. It's also the emotional layer. Water is a carrier by nature. It does it automatically. And with your intention and your heart portal, you can absolutely bless your water and sanctify it and make holy water in a matter of moments. So if you want to do this for your loved ones, they are going to be like, wow. You don't even have to tell them that you've done it. They're just going to be like, boy, this water is amazing. So left palm on your heart. And you just want to sink into knowing that you are connected to Source, and that the creator of all that is energetically flows through you. And you don't really need to think if you don't want to think at all. Just intend that every molecule in the water, the moment you touch it, is going to carry this uber high vibe frequency of Source, of unconditional love, of healing, of unity, of returning to wholeness. And guys, there's no wrong or right way to think into this and to feel into this connection that you will have instantaneously, that we actually only disrupt. We're always connected. It's just how unconnected do we become through choices. So reconnecting now into that place, that source point. Energy is flowing through the left into the right. And as I touch this water, every molecule will carry this source point of unconditional love and be sanctified. Every drop of this water will replenish and rejuvenate and elevate the recipient who partakes. For highest good, it is so. Now guys, you do whatever you want to say. You just kind of tap into it and it is so. And so then don't forget to touch it, right? Here we go. All right, so I just touched it and I just imagined it instantly infusing every molecule of this water with that. Now you may want to wait 4 or 5 minutes for it to fully calibrate, right? And then what I want you to do is take another sip to notice the change. Some similar changes that occur that you can actually physically interpret, right? It kind of becomes softer. The water is softer. It's also got more viscosity to it. It's wetter. It's wetter water. I know that sounds odd, but it is. It's simply that you have calibrated the molecules in this water optimally. And it can be processed easier by your body as well. So I hope that helps you. I hope you do this for your family. Now, you know, it's funny. Some of you naysayers may still go, really? You can do that? Absolutely. There's a whole company called VitaJewel. Here, oh, you can't see it. Sorry, VitaJewel. And they make glass canisters with crystals in it because crystals automatically program the water with the innate healing qualities of each varietal of stone. And so, again, carriers are amazing. Carriers can be anything that can carry a vibration. And so what I want to do before I let you go today is invite you to this holiday course that I've put together called Crafty with the Codes. Now this is where you are going to be able to learn over a 2-hour class how to infuse water, crystals, oil, and all your gifts for the holidays with not just this quick blessing thing that we just talked about. This is the blessing method, but actually assisting frequencies. So all the thousands of codes that are the Anahata codes at anahatacodes.com, you can actually pull codes for people. How cool would that be if you got some arthritis cream for Grandma Franny, and you pulled some codes for her arthritis and put it into the cream, right? It's a carrier, the cream. Oh my gosh. Or what about giving a talisman crystal pendant? Oh my gosh, an eagle just flew right above our heads as I was speaking. Awesome. Awesome. What if you wanted to give someone you love a pendant for confidence, for depression, for clarity, for inspiration, for whatever it is? Doesn't matter what it is. I teach you in this class how to infuse assisting frequencies into water, crystal oils, and any gift you could possibly give. Think of all the bath salts, the bath oils, things that you could give to people and infuse within that assisting frequencies that are going to transform the person who's receiving the gift. It's an amazing, amazing way to customize your gifts. Now, the class is usually $199. It's only $33 for this week into Cyber Monday. That's it. I just slashed the price for you all. $33. That is it. Go to craftywithcodes.com. I'm going to put the URL in the feed when I'm done, and you'll just click on the link, go there, and you'll have immediate access to the 2-hour class plus all the materials. Guys, I even give you labels so that you can actually make this very, very easy in order to program the things that you want to program. And the first 30 of you to enroll will also get a powerful frequency recipe called Immunity Elixir. This is hand-pulled codes from me which help to boost your immune system. So you can take this frequency label that is a bonus to the first 30 and put it on the side of the canister of water or whatever you're serving for the holidays. It's going to actually program that water as well, giving your entire family immune boosting assisting frequencies. So again, if you want to become a frequency alchemist and learn how to, I just showed you how to bless the water, but if you want to pull codes and actually infuse not only your gifts for the year, but other vessels of water with assisting frequencies, you're going to want to take that course. If you missed this, guys, I'm about to end. Go back to the beginning. I'm going to show you very quickly how to program your water for health and basically bless it for Thanksgiving. And you're going to notice the difference between before and after in its replenishing value, in its wetness, in the softness of the taste, etc. It's pretty incredible because water is a carrier. So I'm going to end now. I'm going to put that link here in the feed, guys. Share this, tag this. If you can think of a gift, it can be infused. And so for very inexpensive amounts of money, I mean, you can just go to a craft store and pick up things that are, or a store that has like bath supplies or crystals or a craft store, anything that you can purchase, anyone, when you infuse it with assisting frequencies, it just turns it into this really, really special item. And I teach you how to do it in the class. The class is only $33 through this week into Monday. So again, craftywithcodes.com. I'll put it in the URL. I'm excited for you guys to experience how it feels and tastes when you bless your water in the process I just showed you. Go back to the beginning if you missed it. It's a lot of fun. God bless you on your path to wholeness, and all you will facilitate for others. It makes me so, so very happy to think of all of this beautiful water being blessed by you and being received by your family and loved ones. God bless you. Thank you so much. Yes, Heidi, I will send you the link. Why, Mac? Because I don't know what you were saying. Oh, infuse your products. Oh, yeah. Trina, you can infuse your products. It's part of the course. Anyway, sorry if I'm missing any questions. Put them here and I'll answer them independently. And again, it's craftywithcodes.com, but I'll put the URL in the replay. All right, guys. God bless you. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.